sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm. Thunderstorm warning for Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Arlington County in northeastern South Carolina, northern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina until 6:30 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bennettsville to Roland, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bennettsville, Marion, Dillon, Mullins, McCall, Latta, Lakeview, Clio, Sellers, Fork, Zion, Blue Brick, Hammer, Brownsville, south of the border, Gateway, Minturn, Oak Grove, Bingham, and Floydale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for southwestern Robeson.